Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to convert PDF to Word. This is a very simple process. You don't need any kind of software for this. So let's get started. Alright, first you need any kind of software. You can go with Microsoft Edge or any kind of software. Then search for ilovepdf.com. Then in this website, you will see option called PDF to Word. You just need to go to there, and again now you need to select the PDF. Like I have the report 9 over here. I will drag and drop to the website. You can also select the PDF file by browsing your files. Alright, after that you need to select that convert to Word, and it will convert the PDF to Word. It is that much simple. So I will now turn on the Word. As you can see, the Word file is now open. As you can see, this is the file. Let's see, we can edit it or not. As you can see, the file is editable. Okay, let's write down tutorial arena over here. Alright, as you can see, we can edit the file easily. So that's it for today. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.